Last week, our class went with the Environmental Science and Action class to visit James V. Fitzgerald Marine Reserve. We saw a lot of really cool animals and plants there, including several types of seaweed, crabs, worms, snails, sea stars, mussels, barnacles, and sea urchins. I noticed something I'd never known before, that sea urchins have tiny little feelers that they use to feel around for prey. They also dig their spines into a hole in the rock so that they aren't carried away by the waves. We weren't just there to see the cool animals, though. We were performing field research that's actually being used by the state of California to learn more about the biodiversity on our coasts. We were split into groups, and each group was given a section, or two sections, for which we had to record how many different species of organisms were living there and how abundant they were. This helped give the state an idea of any changes in population over time. We were lucky enough to see a sea star, even though it was not in our quadrat, because many of California's sea stars are dying off from sea star wasting disease. While scientists don't really know the real cause of sea star wasting disease, there are other adverse effects of human activity that are killing off populations of marine plants and animals. It's our responsibility to take care of the oceans, and we are lucky enough to help in that process. One really important way that we can all work to conserve the ocean, even though it's indirect, is to always be sure to recycle bags and anything else that could end up in the ocean. Littering can be really harmful to many organisms, like seals, for example, so making sure our garbage actually gets to the garbage is hugely important too. I had a lot of fun on the trip, especially getting the chance to see the baby harbor seal pups.